Personality Plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.
Miracles Every Day on the 3rd of September 2025. Watch and reflect on how God transforms your life.
From generation to generation.
What do you tell your children, or maybe your grandchildren? What stories, what do you want them to remember?
Children love stories, especially those that are true and told by their loved ones. And what's more, they remember them all in detail. So we need to be careful with each repetition.
You can tell them about the miracles God has done in your life, about how He was with you in difficult moments of fear, helplessness, or confusion. Or maybe about how, with God's help, you courageously managed to do something extraordinary.
Or when God unexpectedly provided you with what you needed. It is worth telling these stories of God's work. God Himself encourages us to do this, explaining how important it is for the next generations.
All that we have known and heard, all that our fathers have told us, we will not hide from their descendants. We will tell the next generation the praiseworthy deeds of the Lord, His power and the wonders He has done, so that they would put their trust in God and not forget His deeds, but keep His commands faithfully. Psalm 78, verses 3 to 7.
God always introduces Himself as the God of generations. I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. Exodus chapter 3, verse 6.
Isn't that wonderful? He's from generations past whom He has led through years and centuries. And He wants us to think the same way about the generations to come.
That we would have an influence not only on our own future, but also on those whom God has entrusted to our care.
If you're a mother caring for small children, remember that your effort and sacrifice are a huge investment.
It's not only about changing diapers or being a full-time driver. Your faith, if it is alive, will be the best example and encouragement. You give love and you teach how to love God. You have influence on their lives.
Then the words of William Ross Wallace prove true. The hand that rocks the cradle rules the world.
And if you don't have your own children or grandchildren, pray for some other child, a nephew, a niece, a neighbor's child, or the child of a friend.
Prepared by Andrzej Cil and Bogusza Król. Thank you for being here.
Personality Plus, daily miracles, hope ignites every day.